Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you? How are you feeling? How is life treating you? Hopefully life is treating you well, and if not, I do hope things get better. On today's episode of Sandy-MMVKBKWU presents Ipsy. Yeah, the regular Ipsy bag. We'll be unboxing or unbagging this today. Just a few things. Ipsy will have a price increase come October. It will be $12 a month versus what it's now. It's $10 a month. But for those of you that are already subscribed, I believe you can lock in your $10 a month. If you do a full year, then you'll pay the $120 versus if you get the next month, when it goes to $12 a month, your yearly would be $144. Let's see if I did my math right. So let's get started with unbagging this. So this is September's 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag. And they're also making other changes. They're going to have an Ipsy Glam Ultimate, and that will be $50 a month. And I believe you get 6 to 7 full-size items. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. It might be a little more. It might be 6 to 8. I don't know, something like that. But it is going to be a lot more than the Ipsy Glam Bag, because that's gonna stay $25 a month. The Ipsy bag is going to $12 a month, and the Ipsy Ultimate, it will be $50. So I will have all three of those boxes next month. After that, I'll decide if I keep it or not, because that's a bit much. Okay, so I'm gonna start out with my add-ons this time. Again, I got the Neutral Deep Brown Gimme Brow by Benefit, and that was a $3 value. My daughter uses this. I'd open it, but she likes to use this, so I'll save that for her. I got the Pharmacy Gel Masks again, just like I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag box. I will link it up here so you can check out that box, or at the end. And for those of you that did not see that unboxing, I will show you. Oh, and I've been so rude lately. I keep forgetting. If you are new, welcome to my channel, and if you are coming back, thank you for being here, and welcome back. So tongue-tied today. I'm sorry, I apologize. Everybody is welcome to my channel. Everybody. I am so grateful for all of you being here. I truly am appreciative, okay? Oh, I'm all tongue-tied today. So I got the Hydrating Masks by Pharmacy, brightening and hydrating. They're both coconut. So these are my second set that I got. So I got that. And then I got the wet, what is this, Color Pop? Bretman Rock, yeah, Bretman Rock Color Pop Collab, and this is wet. This was $12. Both of those samples, I believe, were $3 a piece, and this one was $12. So you've all probably seen this, and if not, this is what it looks like on the outside. This is the wet palette. Oh, that's right. This is the blue one. Did they have the red one? I can't remember if they had lit. It doesn't come with a mirror, but those are the blue colors. Oh, it's actually really pretty. Kind of reminds me of the Blue Blood by Jeffree. Anyways, I got that. Oh, I'm trying to think if they had the lit as an add-on, because I think I would have liked them colors better than the blue. Anyways, I got that. That was $12. So let's get started with our bag. So this is our Celestial bag. Am I saying that correctly? It is the Astrology or Zodiac, or no, Zodiac, right? And then it comes with a nice gem or plastic simulated gemstone on the zipper. It's actually pretty neat. I like that. Okay, so let me pull out the card. Oh yeah, and then again, starting September 24th, you'll be able to choose one of your 5 glam bag products. Then we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. Pick up to 5 add-ons. Now you have access to more, because right now we can only do 3. Then later on we'll do 5, and then we're investing more than ever, delivering you coveted favorites and exciting new brands to create the most delightful glam bag experience. Oh, and they're bringing back the bag in the Glam Bag Plus. For some reason they forgot that they had they were giving those out, but they're gonna have them again. Okay, so these are all the items that we have in our box. I don't know what's wrong with me today. You have to forgive me. I'm not here today. When am I ever, right? Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna go in order. At least try to go in order. So Ipsy Glam is full of deluxe samples. Sometimes you get a full-size product, but they're mostly deluxe size samples. So Therapy Shimmering Oil, is that this one? Okay, so that's Skin and Co Aroma Truffle Therapy Limited Edition Shimmering Oil. So that's the box, okay? And it is 5 ml. It's made in Italy. Watch this big old bottle. That's the box. And that's the bottle. Oh my gosh, why do they even do that? That is terrible. Let's see what this is about. So what do we do? Shake it? It says apply 2 to 3 drops of this oil into the palm of your hand and gently pat all over your face and until thoroughly absorbed. Based in Umbria, Italy, this brand's products are made by one of the world's largest truffle producers. This nourishing, I can't say that word, dry oil mines the antioxidant-rich properties of black winter truffles to protect, moisturize, and boost your skin's radiance. Bonus, it's great for all skin types. What's a truffle? Is that like a mushroom? Is that a fungus? Does anybody know? If you know, let me know in the comment section. Isn't it? So, it's the oil. Oh, it smells good. You do smell the coconut, but it's not overpowering. Oh wow, it left my hand nice and hydrated. Look at the difference in my hands. I don't know if you could tell. Yes, one is darker than the other, but one looks more hydrated now. Let's see, let me add another drop to this side. Let's see. Oh yeah, now this does this to my face. Now see, I don't know if you could tell the difference. Doesn't it look more hydrated now? It looks more... Oh, it does on my side. But that's the cutesy little bottle. So you get that. Yeah, let me know what the huge box. I don't know why they do that. Well, it smells good. It smells like coconut, but it's not like, ugh, coconut. It smells good. Okay, the next thing we have is the LOCK Color Unicorn Glow Longwear Primer. After moisturizing, smooth a dime-sized amount of the primer all over your face. Then apply your foundation and makeup as usual. And this little cutesy thing. Now, we don't have prices in here, so I couldn't tell you the prices for the full-size products. But this Unicorn Glow here, let's see. With artful packaging and smart, affordable formulas, this fun-loving brand makes it easy to feel and look like your best self. Your makeup will stay put and your skin healthy. When you use this illuminating primer made with jojoba oil, shea butter, and chamomile. Oh, I want to smell it. It has a safety seal, but we're going to break that safety seal. Maybe. Or maybe I'll take one of my nails off. Let's see. So that's the consistency there. It kind of looks like a BB cream. And put it up with that. So it's nice and thick. It doesn't, I shouldn't have put it over the coconut, but it feels wonderful over this coconut actually. Can't wait to try it on my face. And you don't feel that greasiness. But it doesn't overpower the coconut. So you really don't smell anything. I should have put it somewhere else. But it feels good. It feels good on the hand. So we got that. The next thing we have is Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisturizer. So you can first you put in the shimmer, right? Then you put on your moisturizer. Then you put on your primer. Nice. So there's a Murad. These are kind of pricey, but let's see how big the product is inside. Let's see. Advanced hyaluronic acid technology keeps your skin glowing and smooth for 24 hours. I gotta try to say some of these words, man, because I sound like a boba. Oh yeah, see? Again, this is the box, and this is the pack. That's the little container that it's in. So it sits like this inside the box. That's a lot of waste of material. Good thing I recycle. Let's see. Yeah, that's it's nice and full. It does have a little air pocket, but that's okay. That's nice and full. I love using this stuff. So that's the moisturizer. It's so sad that it's like in this big old, see how it sits? Because it sits halfway. What a waste of product. Okay, what a waste of packaging, not product. And next we have Ofra Cosmetics collaborated with Madison Oh My RiRi liquid lipstick. Am I saying it right? Wait, didn't I get... I have my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Oh, we got the... Oh, okay. So we got the midi palette in the Glam Bag Plus Madison. I was like, I could have sworn I read this stuff yesterday. And now we have the liquid lip. And it's actually a really pretty color. That's something I would definitely wear. And this is in the color Oh My RiRi. I thought that was like part of her name. I don't know. I don't know who she is. Start with a moisturizing balm, then swipe across lips. Well, since my hands are nicely moisturized, we're gonna swipe it across my hand. Oh, this is a similar color that I have. And that's the color. That's a very pretty color. But I think I have like this color in every shade. Whatever. But that's beautiful. It's actually really pretty. It kind of goes with the bag, doesn't it? But it feels good. Okay, so that's a full-size product. What are these? What does this run? Like $18? $20? And then the final item we have in our bag is Phase Zero Makeup Satin Eyeshadow in Velvet. For a plum smoky eye, use your fingers or a brush to blend velvet all over the lids into your eye crease, and then use a damp angled eyeliner brush to smudge across your lash line. So that was the box. This is the packaging. And oh my gosh. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. So it does come with a mirror. Comes with a full-size mirror. Well, full size for that product. Isn't that a pretty color? It's nice and shimmery. Oh, let's try it out. So I'm gonna use my finger. Oh wow, it goes with the lip. Like, look at that. So this is the lippy, and this is the swipe of the eyeshadow. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Let me use a brush. I'll use this brush. I'm gonna use this brush here. It's clean. I might have grabbed the wrong brush. It says wet, but I don't want to use it wet. But that's what applied with a brush. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Well, that's everything in my box. Did you get the same items that I got in my box? Do you even get this box? I will link down below if you want to try Ipsy bag. Just like I said, next month in October it'll be $12 a month instead of $10. But you do, we got one full-size product, and this is actually worth more than the bag itself. And you also get a nice little bag every month, and it usually says Ipsy on them. Yeah, it says Ipsy on the back. And this is actually really pretty. So let me know if you got the same items, what you think of the items. Everything complements each other. Even the Murad was purple. Like, that's so cute. And the Unicorn Glow was in like pinkish purple, like the color of the lippy. And what else? And then this Truffle Therapy Oil, which complements. Everything complemented itself. What did it say on the front? I didn't even show you. Find your light. So it's all about finding your path. So there you go. So that's everything in my box, and then my add-ons, and that's about it. So let me know, did you like everything in this box? Is this something you would want to get yourself? Let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos and or live streams, which I keep saying that I'm going to do and I haven't done. And that's it. So I want to thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate it. And until next time. Oh, did I tell you? This bag was custom to me, 45 years old with black hair, brown eyes, and usually this bag will go by your profile. So I'm sorry, I forgot to say that in the beginning of the video. So thank you for hanging out with me. I truly appreciate it. Till next time, hasta later.